Hi guys, this is Joy again. Once again, welcome back again to Joy Kitchen BCN. In today's video guys, I'm going to be sharing with you a simple recipe that you can use to make a delicious Nigerian fish stew. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you for tuning in again. And if today is your first time I'm coming across this channel, please go ahead, subscribe, turn the notification bell and be a part of this humble family. So for this fish stew, these are the ingredients required. This all-purpose flour. This is a microfish, a room temperature margarine, milk, 1 large egg, sugar, salt. Guys, the margarine I'm using, it has salt already, so that is why I'm using this amount of salt. But if your margarine is without butter, without salt, you can add a little to that. So this is a nutmeg and this is a baking powder. So I will go ahead and add all my dry ingredients to the bowl, the same bowl. I will give it a gentle stir. Please help me to share this video. Share this video in all your platforms. I'll add the eggs to it. I will add the margarine to it also. At this point, make sure your hand is clean. So do this until it's well combined. So at this point guys, it's perfectly okay. So I'll start introducing my water mix to it. But guys, when you are doing this, don't add your milk at once. So avoid it being liquid or for a perfect result. The cup you might be using might be bigger than mine or might be smaller than mine. So that is why it's not really advisable that you add your milk once. But once you see that the texture is now okay in your hand, like what I'm going to be showing you, so you just stop, no more adding of liquid. So at this point, my dough is almost ready, but I need to knead it until it becomes smooth. So I only just introduce a little bit of water, just a drop. So this time it's just for me to knead it to make sure that the dough is perfectly smooth. I'm not really adding, just like a touch of it or a drop. So can you see how it looks like now? This is wonderful. A perfect dough for making fish roll. The dough of this one is quite different from the one of meat pie, guys. So this is how it looks like. Wow. Can you see? I really love it. Once your dough is like this, nothing stop it from you having a perfect fish roll. So guys, I will allow it to rest for 20 to 30 minutes. So for the filling of the fish, guys, so this is what I'm going to be using for the seasoning. This is crushed green pepper or onions, curry. This is thyme and seasoning powder. I will take everything straight to the pot. I'll add just 1 cup of water. It does not really need too much water on it. I'll bring to boil. After about 12 minutes there, guys, it's ready. I will bring it out and I will allow it to cool down for a little while. So I'm going to break it into pieces, and I will make sure I take off the bone. Guys, when you are doing this one, make sure you take your time, and in case if the kids want to also enjoy it with you, make sure it's really free from bones. So don't be in hurry when you are doing this, because of your kids or any kids that might also be enjoying it with the adults. So I will just use a little drop of vegetable oil to steam it. Once it's hot, I will add my onions. I will stir for a few minutes. I'll go ahead and add the fish. Guys, I'm not adding any spice anymore because it was well spiced from the beginning. So just for a few minutes, it's ready, guys. I'm transfer into a plate and I will allow it to cool down. So here is our dough, guys. It's really, it have rested and it's really looking wow. So I'll go ahead. I will just knead it for a little while again. So I'm going to portion it into a small sizes. Guys, please go ahead and subscribe if you have not done so. If you have not done so, subscribe. Please help me to share this video and give it a big thumbs up. Guys, have you liked this video? And if you have learned anything from this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. So I'm going to be greasing it with egg, and you can as well use water. It will still give you the same result. Guys, share this video. Don't you think it will be helpful to someone close to you, to your friends? So when you are doing this, guys, make sure that the sealing from the beginning is well done, and when you are doing the rolling, make sure it's tight. And when you are doing the spreading, make sure it's not too thick and make sure it's not too light. Guys, if you repeat this video, you can as well send it to me. You can go to a bat. You will see a phone number there that you can send this to. So I do receive a lot from people, so I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. So let me see the result that you are going to get from your own, and if there is any fault, if there is any bugs, and if you didn't get a perfect result, you can as well comment it. You can as well ask questions, and I will definitely answer you. And I believe everyone that have sent me video of what they repeated on my channel, I have answered them all. I have answered them, and I do comment, and if there's any area I need to put them through, I always do that. So you can as well do that. The phone number, you can get it when you go to my ebat. You will see my phone number there that you can send anything to through WhatsApp. So if I come across it, I will see what you have done so far, how it looks like, and I will comment. And if there is any area that is not perfect, I will also let you know. Okay, so I'm waiting to see yours. Okay. Our fish roll is almost ready, guys. Wow, in fact my throat is on it already. I can't even wait for this fish roll to be ready. You can merge this one with cold Fanta, Coca-Cola, Zumo, tea, just name it. Oh my God, it's so delicious. When you know how to do this one, guys, I don't think you will go to any shopping center you want to go and buy anything like snacks or any places you want to go and buy snacks. You just do this one in the comfort of your home. All right, guys, let's move on. So this oil is already hot. I've already preheat it, so I will start frying. So before this one will get ready, I will finish the left one, and you can as well roll everything before you start frying. It's just your choice. So at this point, guys, you leave it for about 3 minutes before you start turning. Can you see it? I'm just turning it for the first time now. Can you see how the down looks like? It has started changing colors. And the side that you roll down, make sure that it's the side that you are going to put inside the oil first. Can you see how it looks like? Oh my God! Wow! Wonderful, wonderful, guys. If you're to be, I have access of posting this one to all my viewers. I will have posted to you so that you have a taste of it. It's so wonderful, guys. Really yummy, 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 yummy. Can't you see how it looks like? Wow. So thank you for watching. Please see you soon again. Another satisfying video. Bye bye.